This is Heine Girl 702. Welcome back to my channel. Before anything else, guys, I just want to say thank you to my nephew Oliver for giving me a present last night. And then it was a nice mini studio, the back, you see that? And he gave me a selfie stick again, selfie stick, tripod, and then my clipboard. There you go, I have that. Thank you so much, guys. And of course, for his wife Tricia, thank you so much, and I appreciate that. Alright, kung bago ka sa aking channel, please subscribe me at the bottom, Heine Girl 702, and don't forget to hit the bell button for notification. So ngayon po, i-share ko po sa inyo ngayon yung mga naluto ng mister ko last night, and it was very easy. It's a garlic bread. And then i-share ko rin po sa inyo yung mga ingredients at mga simple ingredients po yun. Kayang-kaya nyo pong gawin yun. So ipapakita ko sa inyo by voice over. So keep on watching, stay tuned on my channel. So ready guys for part 1, the garlic bread. Lights, camera, action. Take 1. So guys, ito na yung mga ingredients ng garlic bread. Salted butter, and then the parsley, so kuha lang po tayo na depende po sa dami ng salted butter. And then of course the garlic. Yan. So i-mix po natin siya sa salted butter, yung garlic. So I think 3 to 4 tablespoon. Depende po sa dami ng salted butter. And then of course yung parsley, i-chop po natin siya ng pinong-pino. And then mix lang po natin maigi yung garlic and then the salted butter. Ayan, lagay na po natin yung parsley na chinop. So, just mix them well. At habang ginagawa natin yan, meron na tayong sliced bread. Mamaya, i-prepare na rin natin siya. So, hindi ko na po pinakita dito yung paglagay ko sa oven. Yung tapos ko siyang i-wipe yung garlic bread. So pine-prepare ko na yung set ng oven for 350 Fahrenheit, and you just bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. So hayaan po natin siyang mag-brown, depende po yan. Ayan po, so ready na po siya. Napakadali lang po natin gawin yung garlic bread. There you go. So ito po yung aming simpleng celebration ng Christmas last night. It's December 23. So nag-prepare lang po ng Caesar salad. And then of course yung prime rib. So medium lang siya, I think. So ako mas gusto ko is well done. And then next yung ham. So sa susunod na video ko, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung paano yung mga pagtimpla niyan. Abangan nyo yan. Yeah, may mga assorted na cookies, homemade ng sister ko. Masarap siya. Simple lang ang aming mga kainan. Ayan na, ready na yung garlic bread at yung comparisi. At yung birthday ng pamangking ko si Oliver, sinabay na rin namin with his family. Ayan yung youngest niyang si Ashley. And then of course, ang kanyang wife na si Tricia. And then the oldest one is Nicholas. And of course, si Kuya Jan, his father. Happy birthday, Oliver. And many more. Ayan, ang aming dessert. Napakasarap. Nakalimutan ko din yun. And then after that, syempre may mga exchange gift kami. With Oliver's family. Ayan. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you for watching.